Hello friends, welcome back, welcome to my channel. In today's session I am going to discuss with you how can we share our video with audio while we are conducting meetings through Google Meet. Nowadays it is very common that teachers and faculties are teaching their students through Google Meet because it is a free platform available and it has many features and facilities which are very good for all of us. So, while we are conducting sessions via Google Meet, it may happen that we want to share some video or we want to present some video to our participants like students or our team members. At that time what happens if the video is also having audio playback, then Google Meet by default does not allow us to share the videos audio with the video when we are presenting. It means that when we are joining to the meeting as a organizer, we are choosing the mic which is our inbuilt mic of our laptop, mobile or some external hardware of the our desktop system, and the speaker is the default speaker of laptop, mobile or speakers attached to our desktop. It does not matter whatever speakers we are having, but while joining a meeting, the mic or the audio device matters because it is the device through which our sound will be passing through the to the participants. So, if we want to play an audio, we are unable to play by default, whether it is online or offline, but nowadays Google has add one new feature to its Google Meet tool, and that feature allow us to play a video or audio or both online and share. At the same time we can also share it to the participants. So, the participants will also able to watch the video as well as they can hear the audio of that particular video which is right now playing on through our screen. Okay. So, let me show you the different mechanisms available for this thing. Okay. So, let me first of all show you. So, this is the document which I have prepared for you. Let me show you this, let me discuss this with you. There may be cases when we want to show or present video which has audio also in a Google Meet. By default Google Meet does not allow us to play audio from file or some video which is also having audio, because when we are joining the meeting we are selecting our mic as a audio device. So, it will only capture audio, it will only pass audio signals from this particular device or the mic which you have selected, whether it is your laptop's internal mic, mobile's internal mic or any other audio mic device. But we can present our screen and play video. While video is being played, yeah, we can do one thing. Still, suppose we want to play a video offline or online and also present the same video to the client with audio also. We can do one thing with we can play that audio yes with video, and while that video is presenting the audio also is giving the playback, we can put the mic nearby our speaker and the mic will capture the signals of speaker which are generating from the speaker audio signals, and it will pass these signals to the participant, and participant will be able to hear that audio also with while looking that video, but the quality of that audio will be a bit low because we are capturing that audio from speaker and giving it to the audio device, that is mic. So, a bit rate of that audio will become low, the quality will also become a bit low compared to the system sound. If client or participant or ourselves are watching that video on our PC and also hearing its audio from our system sound, then the quality matters. So, yeah, as I told you, we can put the mic near our speaker or desktop or laptop. Okay. The above mechanism sounds well, but sometimes it will not give the desired results in terms of quality of audio. This mechanism, it's good. Yeah, we can just put the mic nearby our speakers and we can make our participant able to hear the audio also, but the quality will a bit low, or sometimes it may more low. It may go down than good also. It will make the audio quality better if we are playing from our system sound, and if we are able to give our client the same experience, then that is the quality of audio which we are able to hear. If the same quality is passed through Google Meet to our participants, then it will be very good and we can give our clients or participants a smooth experience. So, there are mechanisms available for this also. We can also pass audio with video, and the same experience of system sound can be passed to the participants also. So, there are different mechanisms and different situations available. Yeah, there may be situations which may arise in which we want to share or present our video to the participants. We may want to share or present online video, that is we are playing some video through our browser, that is in one of the tab of our browser we are playing some video, and on another tab we are conducting or organizing a meeting. So, we would like to share that screen of browser, that is the particular tab of the browser, to our participants. So, they would be able to watch that video, and also they should be able to hear the voice audio also. Okay. You have a video on your desktop or laptop and you want to play that video, which is also having some playback sound, and you want to share that window of particular software which is playing that video offline on your PC, that is VLC media player or Windows media player, to your participants. So, we may there are two situations, either we may want to present a video which we are playing, which we are watching online, or we may want to share the video which we are watching offline. So, while video is available to us online and we are watching the video online, and at the same time if we want to show that video or share that video, make our participants also able to show that video, watch that video online, we have options available. Let me show you that option. See, this is okay.
मेरे बेटे जो
So, yes, see, it is my Chrome screen, Google Chrome. Here I have a tab in which I have my Gmail account open. I have another account in which I have open
जोरावर के खून में ही
YouTube.
टेक्नोलॉजी है। आज के टाइम
Okay.
का बच्चा
And-
अभी से ही कोडिंग सीख रहा है। अब आप बोलोगे
I want to conduct a meeting from here and I want to share this tab or the video which I am playing in this particular tab of Chrome to my participants. Okay. So, let us look how this can be happen. Let us go back to the presentation. Okay. Presenting online video, that is, it is the simplest of mechanisms which Google has recently added to the Google Meet. So, as it is one of the problem in front of the faculties or teachers, Google has just make a feature or a tool available in Google Meet, that is presenting via a Chrome tab. So, what you have to do, just you need to open the video in one of the tab of your Google Chrome I have just opened a video of Gandhiji, and present your screen with option Chrome tab. Not that you must use Google Chrome browser for this to work. If you want to share your online video through a tab, you must use Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, in the other browsers, present screen feature is available, but share a tab, share a Chrome tab is not available. So, let us go back to the Google Chrome. Here I will first of all go to Google Meet. Okay, you can see here I have Google Meet. I will initiate a new meeting, start a new meeting. I will join the meeting. I will send one invitation to my another email account, so we can test. Okay. Now see, let us go to the another account of myself. This is Mozilla Firefox, in which I have logged in with my another account. You can see here invitation is received. I will join to the meeting for which invitation was sent. Okay, let us join. But it is joined from the same account, so I should switch account and choose it to select the another account. Okay, yeah. Now you can see here both users are different. Now let us go back to the Chrome window. You can see another person has joined, that is myself. Now first of all, see here, if you want to present your screen, you at the bottom right bottom, you can see present now option is available. Present now your entire screen, a window, a Chrome tab, which is best for video and animation. That is a latest feature added by Google to the Google Meet. So here Google a Chrome tab is available, but as I told you, if we go back to the Mozilla, see present now. If I click on present now, you can see that only two options are available, a window and entire screen. Chrome tab is not available. That means that if we want to share a video, make our client watch the video, the same video which we are watching online, we must use Google Chrome. Let us go back to the Chrome. Okay, and here I will present a Chrome tab. Now I will select the tab which is having YouTube opened and a video also opened. I will share that Chrome tab, and let us go back to the participants window. You can see here in participants window, it is shown that I am presenting a screen, and that screen which I have presented is YouTube's screen. Okay. Now let us play that video from organizers tab. The same audio which we are able to hear in this tab, our participant will also hear. See, participant, but right now we are using same. So participant identify that both are able to hear. But you can see here, while I am presenting from the another account, audio is also available in this video, means that audio is also passed. Let's do one thing.
ऐनक पहने हाथी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर.
I will stop the I will pause the video, and I will join from my mobile, okay, so that we will be able to identify whether the sound from the mobile is output or not. Okay. So friends, let me join from my mobile. See, I am having a mobile device. The same account to which I have sent the invitation is also synchronized in my device. So I will open the Gmail for that particular account, and you will find that an invitation is here. Yeah, invitation is here. It is asking for joining the meeting. Okay, you can see here I will join the meeting with that particular account, that is my another account, and yeah, Chirag Raj is in the call. I have joined the meeting. It is echoing because mic was on, that's why. Let's go to the Chrome and see. Yes, you can see here that participant has joined. Okay, doesn't matter, I am closing my camera, switching off my camera, making it disable. Still I have presented the screen. So you can see here screen is available. Now let's play the video. Let me first of all make the desktop sound off, so we would be able to hear audio from this device. Okay, let me play the video. You can see that the video is being played and audio is also outputted from the mobile. It is near my mic, so we are able to hear it. So let me pause this video. Let me start the desktop audio. And this was how we can play an online video and make the video and audio both available to our participants when the video is being played online. Now let's go back to the documentation. So friends, we have just seen presenting online video. Now let me discuss first of all how can we play a video offline. Okay, and for that we will discuss few things that see, if you want to play, make your participants hear the audio available with the video which you are presenting to them offline. That is, you will be playing your video through VLC media player, Windows media player, or some another player. The output of that player, first of all, the output of that player will go to the operating system. Okay, operating system will show the video on the screen and will direct the audio signals to some audio output device. So if we want to share the same output, audio output quality to our participants, we should have one thing available, that is stereo mix. That is one software or a mechanism we can say available for getting the logical audio. Now if you are having Windows 10, there is no problem, you need nothing, just you have to make sure that stereo mix is enabled in your PC operating systems settings. But if you are not having Windows 10, you are having some lower version like Windows 7 or 8, then you need to separately download this software for your particular operating system. That is to say that if you are having 32-bit Windows 7 operating system, then you need to download that particular piece of software which is more than 200 MB for your system. If you are having 64-bit Windows 7, then you need to download for that matching operating systems configuration. So what I want to say is that you will need to do that particular exercise for operating system lower than Windows 10. But as I told you, if you are having Windows 10, then there is no problem. Just you have to go to the settings, okay, system, sound and manage sound devices, and turn on the stereo mix from that. It will be available there. Let me show you. I am having right now Windows 10 operating system on my PC. So, let me first of all show you that. See, I am going to the settings. Okay. Here you can see system, sound, then in this sound category you can see output. Output is the category, subcategory. Here you can see manage sound devices. Here first of all output devices are listed, and below it are input devices where a microphone is available. Now stereo mix, you can find that stereo mix is available. Click on it. Right now it is disabled by default. So, I will make it enable. Okay. Once it is enabled, it will appear as a audio capturing device in Google Meet. While we are going to Google Meet settings and selecting the particular audio and video devices, at that location, in that screen, in that dialog box, stereo mix now will appear. So, let us go to the Chrome. Okay. My Chrome window. Okay, you can see here Google Meet is available. I will go to the settings. Okay, and now here in audio, see, I am selecting stereo mix. I am selecting stereo mix as my microphone, stereo mix. Okay. Now, one more thing, while I am giving audio from my audio device, I need to make this audio on, otherwise the sound will not go through our Google Meet to our participants. Now, I will close the Chrome tab in which I was playing the video, and let me go to the location where I have already a video available with myself. See, here you can see on my screen that a video is available. Okay. I will play this video through VLC media player. Okay. And I have just paused it. I will share the screen of VLC media player to my participants, and my participants should be able to hear the sound associated with this particular video. Let us go back to the Chrome. Okay. Let me join the meeting from my device, that is my mobile. Okay. I am joining the meeting. I have joined the meeting. Okay. Now, let us go to the Chrome window. Okay. And here I will present now a window. Right now I have logged in. Okay. Just the organizer is listed here, you can see, and in the Chrome I will share a window, that is VLC media player, share. Okay. At the same time I will mute my desktop audio. I will also mute my speakers so it won't interrupt us. Okay. And the screen, that is VLC, I will go to that screen and play the audio. You can see here, if you are able to see it clearly, that video is shown here, video is being played. Okay, video is being played, screens are changing, the taglines or the lines given by Mahatma Gandhi are written there, they are changing, but the voice is not audible. So, what should I do? I will go to the Chrome tab, that is Google Meet again, and start my mic, which is off.
सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे
As soon as I made the audio on, the sound is available. Now this audio which the participant is able to hear is shared or passed through, captured through stereo mix, which is available in Windows 10 inbuilt. For the other operating system, we have to download this software. Let me tell you that for Windows 7 64-bit operating system, for Windows 7 64-bit operating system, size of this software is 252 MB. You have to download it. Otherwise, it's good if you are having this operating system.
मन है बना रे नफरत की आदि पैती रे वहशी दिलों को बाबू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बाबू आजा रे ओ झूठ का बदला जाए राज को बाबू
So let me stop this, pause this video. Okay, go back to the presentation. Okay, so friends, as I told you, if you are having Windows operating system other or lower than 10, then you have to download the stereo mix software from the URL given here. See, go to this URL like this. Paste the URL in the browser and download the software for your particular operating system and suited to its configuration. That is, if I am having Windows 7 64-bit, then I should choose this. Okay. It will ask for your email ID. You just enter your email ID, agree to terms for the download, enter your email ID, and the download will begin soon. Okay. So in this way we can play our video with audio, and at the same time we can share, we can make our participants also watch that video with the voice or with audio, whether the video is playing being played from some online resource or whether we have downloaded it and we are playing offline. In both way we can share the video, with its audio to our participants. So friends, it was all about presenting video with audio to participants when conducting meetings through Google Meet platform. I hope you have enjoyed and learned things which I have tried to explain you, but the best mechanism is system speaker using stereo mix if it is offline, or very simple Chrome tab if we are playing video online. Okay, thank you for watching.